It's here. It's here. It's here. What did I get? Hello, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. It's here. It's here. Look it. Look. I don't hear any ching, ching, ching. That's good. That's good. Okay. This is what I've been waiting for 2 weeks now. Oh my God. I can't believe it's finally here. Okay. I haven't opened it yet. And hopefully my microphone's working because it doesn't work very well. And it makes me sound funny, but we're going to do it. And we're going to go on as if it's not even here. So I haven't opened it yet. As you can see, the FedEx guy was just here. And I set up real fast so I could do a reveal. All right. Are you excited? I'm excited. Okay, let's open her up. Let's open her up. Can you see? Does anybody have any guess what it is? Any guesses? That's my address is covered up. Any guesses? Well, you are about to find out. Packing slip. Bubble wrap. Yay! Free packing material. Free packing material. Oh. Look. There it is. There she is. Miss America. Oh my gosh. Fiestaware. This is their new color Sky. If you don't keep up with Fiestaware like I do, this is the color Sky. And I love these bowls. I just recently discovered these bowls. They're called fruit bowls. Fruit salsa bowl. But these, I love the shape. Perfect size for like a little bit of ice cream or a little strawberry shortcake. Some salsa, some fruit, little side salad, some beans, whatever you want. Look at this. Oh, it's got some bubbles on the bottom. But that's okay, it's on the bottom. Wow, I'll have to look at these in the light. I'm pretty happy about this. Let's set that down. Packing material there. Oh, here's my sticker. I got a sticker. That's pretty awesome. That was $5. The fruit bowl. It doesn't have prices on here. I think the fruit bowl was like $11.99, $8.99, something like that. Oh, do you know what this is? I know what this is. I know what this is. getting a lot of glare from my glasses. Let me see. If I could switch glasses. These are broken. Okay. Here we go. Oh, look at that. My gosh. It's so cute. It's a mini disc picture in sky. This is all going to be sky, by the way. This is their new color. Oh, it's got a pop, a little blemish pop right there. Right there. That's okay. You know why? Because, yeah, they were talking about the coverage, and I can see what they were talking about. The coverage is not as rich as this is a little bit more translucent. So you can kind of see, well, it doesn't show here, but with my eye, it's a good one. But I could see what the, I belong to a Fiestaware group on Facebook, and some people's items were not covered as well as some others. But this one looks pretty good, but I can tell what they were talking about. How cute this is going to go with my others. Okay. Okay. This I got for free because they were having a promotion. If you spent so much money, you would get a free item. And this was one of the free items. I have a couple of these in a different other colors. Wow. It's a trivet. You know, you put your hot plate or your hot pan on here. It's a trivet. Yeah. Pretty. Got another bubble right there on her nose. There on her nose. But you know what? It's okay. Because it's like her nose. I have a bubble on my nose. Okay. Try to set that down. Oh, okay. This, I don't have one of these in a solid color. I think I only have a Christmas one. So this would be, I think this is my first solid color. Bread plate. Oh, wow. Look at that. Wow. Neato. Yeah, this is my first solid one. I have a Christmas one that says celebrate and it's decorated. This is my first solid color. It says bread tray 11 and 7/8 in sky. Wow. So pretty. It is so pretty. Look at that. Oh man. I love this one. Okay. Let me put that down. Woo! Woo! Here we go. There's the piece of resistance. That's it. Okay, this is it. This is it. This is the last. It's the piece of resistance. Oh, look. Wow. Look at that. Ooh, look, you could tell where they have the holders. They have them on these holders that have they're like across like that, and then they hold it and it spins, and it moves and spins at the same time while the color is being sprayed on it. It's like automatic stuff. It goes like this, spins while the color's going. Yeah. So it's got the little spin marks. I love that. Somebody might think that that's a flaw, but I love that. Because it shows production. It shows how it's made. Ooh, I love that. Set that right there. The ring mug, classic ring mug. Wow. Look at that. So pretty. It's just like so light. It's so pretty. I love it. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. Okay. Salad plate or dessert plate? Wow. Oh, you could see the little spray marks here too, where it was being held. Oh, I love it. Did I say that already? How much I loved it? Trying to find a place to put it just for a minute. Okay, this is the very last piece. Wow. So pretty. Okay, this is sky. Let's see. We can, let's compare it. So this is periwinkle. This is sky. Woo! Yeah, look at that. Wow. Yeah. That's cool. Here's the back. Oh, sorry, I keep clanking my microphone. It's so pretty. I'm so excited. Now my friend Jody, she ordered some too. I wonder if she's gotten hers. She lives in Southern California. I'm in Central California, so I wonder if she's gotten hers. So, are you as excited as me? I am so excited. I will take some pictures and I'll put it at the end of this video. So stay tuned. Thank you for watching.